Hello and welcome to this lesson to install Google Font and configure the Tailwind CSS. To configure the Tailwind CSS, we have to just create a new file. The npx tailwind css init that would create a tailwind.config.js file. So if we copy this command from here and paste it in the VS Code terminal, and see the post.css.config.js files also created. So in the tailwind.config.js file, we have to do some configuration. So in the content array, we have to specify the file directory where the style will apply. In our case, we will work in the pages directory, and also we need one directory which is the components. So we will specify pages and components in the content directory. We will write pages slash tsx. So in our case, we are not using tsx, so you can skip this, the ts or tsx. So I just write that won't be create any problem. Components. So our code also will have in the components folder. That's why we are specifying the path here: ts, tsx and tsx. Okay, and we can also specify the theme and color here. So in our whole project, there are some of the color we will use, which is the primary, secondary, dark and white. So also we can just configure these colors here. So primary would be D8159. The secondary would be #2F3E3E46. So dark would be #000814, and white would be the normal white one, the 6F12345 okay. And we are going to use the container also. So we can specify the container here. So container, the center would be true, and padding, we have to specify the padding. So the default would be, default would be 1 rem, and SM would be 2 rem. LG would be 4 rem. Excel would be 5 rem, and the last one, 2XL, would be 6 rem. To Excel would be 6 rem. Okay. So we specified the content, we specified the colors, we specified the container padding also. So we are just completed the configuration of the Tailwind config.js file. So we can save that, and so now we can test the Tailwind CSS, it is working or not. So if we go the pages folder, index.js, so we can remove the dummy content from here. Just remove that. We don't need to the styles container. We can delete these things, and we are using the functional component here. So I don't need that the previous dummy code. Const home is equal to arrow function, and there will be export default home br. Okay, curly braces. If we write here lorem, so if we go to the browser, the dummy content already removed. If we using a background color bg primary, let's see. Oh, we have to do one thing. We just missed the one configuration here. So basically, if we go to the Tailwind configuration doc, we have to add this in the global.css. Add the Tailwind directive for each Tailwind layer to your styles.global.css file. So we have to copy this code and we have to add this thing in our the global style.css file. So the global css file we have to connect in the app.js file. See, it's already connected, so I hope it should work right now. If we just hover over, it's not working. Let's debug why it's not working. We can just restart this terminal. Let's see. Here, dev. See, the new style is already applied in the code. We already done the Tailwind configuration setup. Now we'll move to the how to set up the Google font in the Next.js. So in this project, we will use Montserrat font, the Google font. If we go to the fonts.google.com and if we write the this one, the Montserrat, so it's already selected here. So we need regular 400, bold 700 and extra bold 800. So basically you can just go to the import, copy this import from here and paste this code in the styles.global.css in the styles directory global.css file. Then we have to specify the font family. So copy this font family and paste it here. Oh shit, we have to just inside the body. The font family would be Montserrat and the other one the sans serif. So if we save this file, if we go to the project, see the new font is style is already applied. So basically in this tutorial we know how to configure the Tailwind and how to use the Google fonts in the Next.js. So that's it. Next video we'll get the OMDB API to fetch the data. So if you enjoyed this video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.